Hey guys, just a little quick update on where I'm at with the truck. It is a somewhat quick and dirty job that I'm doing. Spray foam, I'm not gonna lie to you. Spray foam underneath and then fiberglass on top. I'm trying to fix it out as best as possible. It's not going to be perfect. Working on the cab corner down there just to give it some form, and the rocker. Yeah, I know, that's a lot of spray foam, but it's what needs to be done. My garage is an utter mess. My seat was messed up, so I had to weld on a piece of metal here. Apparently the tab was broken and I never knew. Also, the area where it mounts was rusted. This truck was actually very unsafe. So I fixed that and I cleaned up these areas, and I think I bumped that there, but I got some paint on it so that it wouldn't rust as much. And what I just got done doing was installing bolts here. Probably still hot. I welded after I painted. I'll fix this later. Like I said, man, it's a dirty job. I'm just trying to get this thing roadworthy again. Floor, nice and solid now, so no worries there. But I just got the studs for the rear mounts on the seat in. Trying to figure out, I'm almost done in here as far as everything. I got to figure out what I'm going to do with the upholstery on the seat, and I got to figure out what I'm going to do for carpeting in here or something, because, and here's the wheel well on the other side. It's not hateful, but as always, it could be better, but it'll be fine just to get it decent to spray over. This is what I'm left with here. Let's see, that's the back corner, I think. Yeah. Here's the driver's floorboard area. I mean, most of it kind of looks like it's there, but this stuff, I don't know, maybe I will just clean it up and throw it back in and then do some kind of just carpet or whatever I can do over top of it, because it's dirty and there's this piece cut out of it right here. But other than that, it's not in horrible shape. I guess I could clean it up. I could probably clean it up and it'd be somewhat decent. So yeah, that's where we're at here. I still got to figure out what I'm doing there. I started beating that out a little bit, but it's pretty bad. This thing, the edge is going to be screwed anyway, right? So I'm torn between trying to bend this up with my hydraulic ram and just fixing it as best I can, grinding this flat, or what, because it's double paned up here. It's real hard to get actually up in behind this to do anything. So we'll see what happens there. And then so far, man, it's dark over here. So this is where I'm at with the rocker on this side. With some fiberglass, a little bit of spray foam under there to reinforce it. It's a $500 truck, guys. I mean, it was a $500 truck when I bought it 2 years ago, but it runs great. So we're getting her fixed up here, and then we were going to paint it. I also have some other ideas for it, nothing too expensive. I mean, look at the state of my door panel here. It's got drywall screws in it. And no, I didn't do most of this. I bought this as just a beater truck, and I've kept it that way for the most part. So it is what it is. So that's the update, guys, on the truck. We are getting there. Still got a little bit more to do with the fiberglass and the body, but the inside's almost done. I gotta figure out what to do with the seat. If anybody's got some advice, let me just throw this over here. Anybody got some advice? I don't want to buy a new one. What do I do? Get something in there in that rough spot, because this is obviously the driver's side. Maybe clean it up, and then what? Like throw a seat cover over it? I don't know. Give me some advice, guys. I don't really do upholstery, and the main concern I think on this is the fact that it's missing all of its cushion. So, yeah, if anyone's got any tips there on a cheap fix for this thing, I would sure appreciate it, because right now your ass is hitting that rail every time you get in and out of the truck. But yeah, guys, that's my update. The interior is almost ready to be put back together, minus the seat, and then a little bit more body work. Also, we are going to do the headliner. You can see it was tacked up, it's in disrepair. I let my daughter pick out some fabric, and it's like some blue pattern. I got it around here somewhere, but that was when I was thinking about painting the truck blue, and I actually got green paint. So I got to get something else for the headliner. But yeah, we're making progress. Hopefully before too long she'll be done and we'll be able to get to the paint job. Alright guys, just a quick little update for anyone that actually cared to watch this video. Probably won't be any editing or anything like that. Just a dirty job and a dirty video. Doing it real quick. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video.